Good day, scholars. Today I'm going to show you how to download video clips from a stock footage website and then upload them to your actual video production in Adobe Spark. So last week we actually started working on outlines for our video productions, right? You had two to choose from. You had promote an idea and you had show and tell. And then you had 6 questions that you had to answer in the corresponding dialog boxes. And then if you had time, you uploaded links to stock footage you might want to use in each of these sections, right? So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get to Adobe Spark and set up an actual video. So we're going to go to Adobe Creative Cloud, which I have loaded up here. I just went to creativecloud.adobe.com and I logged in. So just log in with your school account and all that fun stuff. You'll see up here that I am logged in. That's not what I wanted. Is this it? I am logged in with my school account here. To get to Adobe Spark, we're going to actually go to View All right here and click on that. And then to get to Spark, I'm going to go to Web actually. Click on that. And then Adobe Spark is right here. There's probably a different way to get there as well, but that's the way that I found is easiest from the main website. And then you click on Launch and it will begin to open up here. Now, Adobe Spark is completely browser-based. It's not like the Adobe, it's not like Adobe Photoshop or Premiere Pro or any other stuff we've used in the past. So you won't have to worry about losing your project, which is nice. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to the little plus button on the left side here. And I'm going to add, I'm going to start a new project. So you'll see web page. That's not what we want. I don't know why I said that. We want video. So I'm going to click on video, boom, and it will ask you to name it. So I'm just going to name it, because the topic I chose is motorcycles. I'm just going to call it motorcycle vid, just so I know what it is. You can name it something differently, obviously. I'm going to hit next. And then from here, you got a bunch of options. I suggest to choose either promote an idea or show and tell. Both of those correspond with the questions that you answered in the outline, depending on which one you chose. So if you chose promote an idea, choose promote an idea. If you chose show and tell, choose show and tell, right? Obviously. So I'm going to pick show and tell because that's the one that I chose because I wanted to talk about motorcycles. So I click on that and it's going to begin loading. And show and tell is a little different than promote an idea because we need to delete one of the slides because we don't care about it. But the first thing we need to do is there's a video here. I suggest you watch this video. It'll kind of give you an overview of Adobe Spark. After you're done watching it, you can just close it out. Okay, and the nice thing about this is that it's giving you your slides that you need already. The first thing you're going to do is if you chose promote an idea, right? If you chose show and tell, I'm sorry. If you chose show and tell, you're going to delete the first box that says about me, just to make it 6 slides like the other one is. So we've got these 6 primary slides here, and we're going to start off with what it is. If you chose promote an idea, yours might be different, right? So it's going to be about describe the world today. Okay. So the first thing is I need to choose media. I need to find media to go in each of these sections, right? Because there's 6 sections and we have 6 questions that I've answered on my outline here. I only have one as an example. But the first one is about the topic or idea that I wish to show us, and I chose motorcycles. So I need to find a nice video, a nice intro video to show like motorcycling. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go to pexels.com, right? So I'm at pexels.com here. You notice I've already searched motorcycles, but we'll go to the actual first homepage here, and I'm going to search motorcycles as an example. And I'm going to search for some free footage here that I can use. And I'm going to go to videos actually. And I'm going to find a nice video that might work out well for me. So I suggest at least 10 seconds. Let's see, maybe this one. I'm going to click on, this one might be nice. I'm going to click on this one. And we'll see how long this is. So you'll see this is 11 seconds. Perfect. If it's longer than 10 seconds, that's completely fine, but I want it to be at least 10 seconds. And I'm going to go to the top right here, and I highly suggest you pick HD instead of the original, because that's going to make the download size a lot better. And it won't look, on the Chromebook, it'll look exactly the same. So I'm going to click on free download, and I'm going to download that. And you'll see in the bottom right here, it's downloading it. So I'm just going to close this and I'm going to go back to Adobe Spark. And to upload the video, I'm going to make sure I'm on the first slide here. I'm going to click on the plus. I'm going to go to video, and I'm going to find it in my file management system. So I am on a Chromebook here, so yours should look very similar. You'll see my drive is right here, and I have the video I just downloaded right there. So I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to open it. And it's going to upload it. So it might take you a little bit. You can make it shorter if you wish. If you have a really long video, you can make it shorter. I want it to be longer than 3 seconds, actually. I want to use actually all 11 seconds. So I have 11 seconds here. I'm going to hit save. And it's saving my video clip. It might take a little bit. Just wait a little. Just wait. Obviously, you can't hurry it up. Just chill out there and wait for your video clip to save. While it's doing this, you can go look for more video clips, obviously. It will continue to save in the background of a different tab here. So now it's saved. So you'll see I can play this section. It will show the video clip that I have here. So I'm going to stop it, and I'm going to move on to the next section. So the next section is number 2. I go back to my outline. I see what I was about to say for dialogue number 2. What is it about? And from there, I'm going to make a decision on what type of video I want to have in that section. Okay, so I'm going to stop there as an example. All you got to do is find 6 video clips and put them in your 6 sections in Adobe Spark. And then from here, we will move on for the dialogue section. All right, if you have any questions, need any help, please reach out and I will help you out. Otherwise, try and get your 6 videos finished for your 6 sections in Adobe Spark.